Hi guys, it's Steffi from the Novelty Corner, and today I am going to be doing my Plan With Me video for the week of February the 13th to the 19th, and this week I'm going to be using this Valentine's set from Made by Elissa. So there is a really cute little lovebird style decorative sheet and some washi strips. I may also do a little bit of doodling with my Sharpie pen, and everything else is pretty much the same as most weeks. So I hope that you like this video. As always, don't forget to leave feedback, comments or questions down below. I hope that wherever you're in the world you're having a wonderful day, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.